Hello, my name is David Sampedro. I'm a board-certified civil trial lawyer at the law firm of Panter, and Sampedro in Pinecrest, Florida. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you a little bit about a new bill that was signed by Governor Ron DeSantis that is going to have an effect for those people who are bringing claims or lawsuits against another person or another company for their negligence. This new law is going to have an effect on many claims, and it's important that the residents of the state of Florida are familiar with it or know that they exist. This law is going to affect your rights in many different ways. Specifically, first and foremost, the statute of limitations on a general negligence matter is going to be reduced from 4 years to 2 years. In other words, any action that's accruing after March 24th of 2023 will only have a 2-year statute of limitations with regards to negligence cases or general negligence cases. It used to be 4 years and it's now going to be 2 years. What that basically means is that you have 2 years from the date of the occurrence of the negligence to file a lawsuit. If you fail to file a lawsuit within those 2 years, your claim will be forever barred, and you will be precluded and prevented from bringing forth a lawsuit. Another way that the law is going to affect the rights of injured people is by what we call comparative negligence. In other words, there are occasions when the plaintiff, the person who is bringing the claim or the lawsuit, might bear some responsibility for the action. For example, somebody might trip and fall or slip and fall in a puddle of water at a supermarket. The supermarket might suggest that the plaintiff was negligent themselves for failing to look where they were going, or maybe not wearing the proper shoe attire. There could be an array of different issues. The point is that in addition to the defendant being negligent, the plaintiff might bear some responsibility. The law used to be that whatever percentage of responsibility that was assigned by a jury, that the verdict would be reduced by that percentage. Well, from now on, if the plaintiff is more than 50% responsible, their claim will also be barred, and they will also be prevented from bringing a claim. Attorney's fees have been eliminated in first-party insurance actions. So, in other words, if you made a claim against your own insurance company for failing to provide you with some sort of benefit under the policy, it could be a life insurance policy, it could be paying for your medical bills under your automobile insurance policy and what's called your personal injury protection portion of the policy. It could be a homeowner's claim if a pipe burst or something like that. If the insurance company denies your claim or underpays you, it used to be that you can go out, hire an attorney, and if you prevailed, the insurance company was responsible to pay for your attorney's fees. That's been eliminated. So from now on, if, for example, the insurance company wants to underpay you by $100 or $1,000, it's going to be virtually impossible to be able to find an attorney to fight the insurance companies when they underpay or deny certain claims. The last item I'll talk about are the damages, economic damages in the form of medical bills. In other words, medical bills are also going to be reduced by this new law. They're going to be looking to Medicare fee schedules, Medicaid fee schedules, private insurances, whether they paid a bill or didn't pay a bill. So that's going to have a detrimental effect on a jury being able to award proper economic damages, and that of course is going to affect the amount of compensation that an injured person would receive from another person or another company when they were responsible for causing the incident, the accident, and ultimately the injuries of the plaintiff. So the law does have other consequences as well. It's obviously a little complicated. You can always feel free to give us a call. Visit our webpage at www.panterlaw.com. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have, but it's very important that you all remain vigilant about your rights as a citizen of the state of Florida. Thank you.